In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to appear offline in Slack. Whether you're looking for some uninterrupted work time or simply want a break from notifications without fully disconnecting, being able to manage your Slack presence effectively can make a big difference. So, let's dive right into the steps you'll need to follow to achieve this. First off, open the Slack application on your computer or access it via your web browser. Once you've logged into your workspace, you'll notice that there's a status bar at the top left-hand side of the screen, right next to your workspace's name. This is where you'll be able to control your visibility settings. Next, click on your profile picture or the circular icon that represents your account. This will prompt a drop-down menu with various options. Among these, you're going to want to select Set Yourself as Away. By doing so, you'll officially show that you're not available, effectively appearing offline to others within your Slack workspace. Another useful setting to consider is setting a status message. This way, you can inform your colleagues that you're unavailable, such as adding a note like offline for an hour or in deep work mode. To do this, look for the status message option below your profile picture in the drop-down menu. Clicking on it will allow you to enter your custom message and choose an emoji that best represents your status. An additional point to foster a truly offline experience is to silence your desktop and mobile notifications. On your desktop, go into Preferences through the same drop-down menu and find the notification settings. Here, select Do Not Disturb or simply pause notifications until you're ready to return online. For mobile, open Slack on your mobile device and navigate to Settings, typically reached through the three-dot menu. Under Notifications, select Do Not Disturb to pause alerts. If you'd like to go a step further and automate your away status, you can use Slack's built-in scheduling tool for Do Not Disturb. This way you can set regular hours where Slack automatically sets you as away, ensuring you get uninterrupted time every day at the same time without manual changes. It's worth noting that while these steps will help you appear offline, consider discussing your availability preference with your team or setting expectations. It's always a good idea to communicate openly to ensure work collaboration isn't impacted while you enjoy your much-needed offline time. And there you have it, a quick and straightforward way to manage your Slack presence. Remember, while being connected is important, taking those moments to focus and disconnect smartly can help maintain productivity and your overall well-being. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you manage your time and connections more effectively.